My name is Devin Cook with Keller Williams, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of this brand new home situated in Keller, Texas, just outside of Westlake. This home is 5 bedrooms, 6 baths. 4 of them are full baths, 2 of them are half baths. It has a media room, it has a wine area. It's a beautiful home, new construction, about 5,787 square feet, almost on a 0.7 acre lot. Great access to freeways, great access to shopping. This home is listed at $2.569 million, and if it was just a couple miles the other direction in Westlake, you can be sure if it was in Vaquero or Quail Hollow, one of those really high-end exclusive communities, you could probably add at least $1 million to that price tag. So let's take a tour. All right, so starting with the exterior, you have a very nice modern transitional design with a lot of stucco and also stone accents. You can see you have the front yard with a little bit of landscaping. You might want to do a bit more to spruce it up once you move in. And then over here, you're going to have a nice pull-through space where you have your 3-car garage. Now, you're also going to have your backyard. You can see the landscape is not yet complete. So you're going to be able to fit 3 cars very comfortably in the garage. And then you also have this very nice extended driveway, and you have this huge carport with lights, very nice wood finish up top. You could easily fit probably another 4 cars underneath the carport. So if you're entertaining, you have guests, you could easily probably pull maybe 8, maybe even 10 cars in this driveway. Now, as we come back around to the front of the house, you're gonna see you are surrounded by other brand new homes as well. This is a very nice community, a lot of new construction homes, very exclusive, very small. Now, when we walk up to the home and we go inside, you're actually gonna see a very nice glass pivot door. These are great doors. They're very large, very oversized. You can see it pivots completely, so you have an opening on both sides. We're just gonna shut that. And when you walk in, immediately to your left, you're gonna be greeted with your formal dining area. And you're gonna see these gorgeous hanging light fixtures. You have one over the dining and then one over the entranceway as well. Very nice touch. And then over to your right, you're gonna have your office space with some built-in cabinetries. They have it decorated with this glass, very modern desk. You're gonna see you have a fan up top as well. Very nice to have in Texas weather. Now, it is a bit echoey, which you can hear. You're gonna have can lighting, recessed lighting all throughout the top. Now, immediately to your left, you're gonna have a bit of an espresso bar just off of the main kitchen. You're also gonna be able to walk in right through here and see your main kitchen with an option for an additional refrigerator or freezer right here as well. Now, when you walk in through here to the kitchen, you're gonna see that you have this very nice oversized waterfall island. You also have a oversized Viking refrigerator freezer combo. Very good to see in this kind of home. You have over to your right, you have your pantry, which is gonna offer you really ample storage. You're gonna have here your Viking appliances, your dishwasher, and then also you have a 6-burner gas top range. Very nice to see as well. Now, you're gonna see the rest of the house, and we're gonna kind of take it through in sections. Now, over here, you're gonna have your main sitting area, really your main living, and they also have a fireplace that is gas. And they have these nice, beautiful tiles going all the way to the ceiling. Very nice touch. Also another fan. A lot of windows up top to let in a lot of natural light. And you're also gonna get a lot of light here through these windows that slide open, where you're gonna have access to your outside, your backyard area, and also your outdoor grill. So if you're big into grilling, you wanna have a fun time out here, you're gonna be able to enjoy and entertain some guests. Now, like I mentioned, almost a 0.7 acre lot, just shy, and you really are gonna have some privacy. You're gonna see this retaining wall. Obviously, you need some landscaping. You don't have a pool, although you can very easily put in a pool, as you can see by the neighbors just over here. Now, going back into the house and coming in through the living room, you're gonna see just underneath the landing upstairs, you have actually your wine bar and your wine cooler area. Now, in this wine area, you can probably fit comfortably, probably about 75, 80, maybe even 100 bottles of wine. There is a very large storage area here. And this is really gonna be a great place for entertaining. You see, you can put another dishwasher in there or a wine cooler, whatever you so choose. You have your sink, you have ample counter space, and it really is built for entertaining guests. Now, before going to the primary bedroom, I'm actually gonna show you the secondary suites on the downstairs level, go up to the upstairs level, and then we're gonna finish off at the primary suite. So when we come here through this hallway, which is just off of the wine area, you're gonna see on your right, you actually have one of the half bathrooms. This is gonna be where your guests are coming to use the bathroom and relieve themselves. Just off of the half bath, you have your first bedroom downstairs. Now this is gonna be situated just on the right side of the house when you're facing it. You're gonna have access to the outdoors. You're also gonna have your closet space right here, and then you have a full bath. Each of the bedrooms have access to a full ensuite bathroom, so it's a really nice feature for guests or anyone you might have staying with you. You can see these very nice, very white, very clean appliances and aesthetic. Now, going back through the room, you're gonna come here again to the hallway, just to orient yourself. We have the kitchen right there, the wine bar right here. Now, we have this really long hallway. Now, this room right here is what I would deem a flex room. It's an additional space. You can use it as maybe a secondary office if there are multiple people working from home. There is no closet in here, and so if I was buying this house, I would probably use this as a secondary office. Now, we're gonna come through that hallway and we're gonna see the media room. Now, the media room is very nice, dark tones, and you're also gonna have access to the outdoors. You're probably gonna wanna get some blackout curtains so that way you can block out that light and have a true movie experience. You're also gonna have a half bath, which is really nice if you're in the middle of a really long movie like Titanic or Wolf of Wall Street that's 3 hours long. You're probably gonna need to use that bathroom. Going back through, and to get some orientation again, you're gonna see we just came off of that hallway towards the back of the house into the living room again. As we come upstairs, you're gonna see a couple really nice things. You're gonna be greeted with the landing where you could put a couple of different things. Maybe you have like a little sitting area. You could turn this into a bit of a reading space for you if you want. You can look down and see the entire home. Very nice view from above. You can see that beautiful island. You can also see your nice sitting room. You're gonna have 3 different bedrooms upstairs. They're not oversized bedrooms, but they would work if you have small children or just using them for guests. You're gonna have your closet space, and then on the right, you're gonna have your full bathroom. Now, this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. You have these beautiful stone countertops. You have the full shower as well and bath, which is very nice and very helpful to use if you have small children living in this home. Now, you are gonna share this with the room next door. So if you do have small children, this is gonna be a great option for them. They're also gonna have a big walk-in closet as well. Leaving this room, you're gonna have your final bedroom on the left, and you're gonna see that this room is a little bit bigger than the other 2. So maybe if you have a teenager, they would do well in this room right here. You have a lot of views out onto the street. You have these windows right here, and then these windows right here as well. Also, very nice black windows, give a great modern aesthetic to the home. And then they're gonna have a full bath as well. Very nice, very private, very easy to use. Finally, what you're gonna have upstairs is just a closet right here, so you have a bit of storage. Maybe you have some games, maybe you got some other things to put up here, but you definitely have ample storage in this house. Now, one of the things you're gonna wanna know as we're going downstairs is this area is growing a lot. This is really on the outskirts of Keller, as I mentioned, and it's really right next to a lot of the extremely high-end communities like Quail Hollow and Vaquero that I mentioned earlier, where you get homes that are in the 8-figure price range. I've toured homes over in Quail Hollow that are at least probably $13, $14 million. And so this home is just on the outskirts of those areas. And so you're actually getting a lot of value by being just outside of Westlake in Keller, but you still get a lot of these exclusive features. You get a high-end area, you get access to all of the shopping, the freeways, and it's just really convenient. Now, one area that I left out that I wanted to mention is you are gonna have your garage. You can see still is a bit of a construction zone right now. Obviously, when you move in, it's gonna be a lot nicer. And then over here on the left, you're gonna have your washer dryer room. You're gonna see you have a lot of ample space for countertops. You're gonna have your sink, and you're also gonna have a spot for your dog wash. So you can wash your dog if you need be, or maybe you just got a muddy child and you wanna put them in there, clean them up before taking them into the rest of the house. You also have a closet that you can use as well. Now, on the left here, you're gonna see actually access to the closet and a bit of a kind of mudroom space that you can use. You can put some hooks there and use those for your children. I'm not actually gonna go in there yet because I'm gonna take you the other way around through to the master bedroom. And this is really gonna be your primary suite. It's beautiful, spacious. You're gonna see as you go in, tons of window space, tons of light. You also have your own fireplace, gas fireplace, of course. And you're gonna have these sliding doors here. You can open up. Once you get a pool out there, you can go straight there into the pool. And you're also gonna have sliding doors on this side as well. So whichever way you wanna have access to the outside, you have it. You have space for a sitting area, which is very nice. You also have a king size bed, which is just not even filling up this room because of how spacious it is. You really just have so much space when you really look at it. And then in here to your bathroom, you're going to see that same aesthetic, very nice, very white, very bright. You're gonna have your sink top over here. You're gonna have your double shower right here where you can have space for the woman's shampoos and soaps, and then the man's. And then you also have each different shower head. Now, one critique I have about this shower personally is I would add a rain head right there, so that way you have a third one. That would really complete it for me. And then you also have the other vanity right here. Now this is gonna be your oversized closet. Very huge, very spacious. You're gonna have a lot of room. Really, you're gonna probably have one side as a his side and one side as a her side, unless it's maybe just both hers and the man can have his stuff in this little closet right here. Now, this is actually gonna open up. You can see it does lock, but it's gonna open up into this hallway so that way you have easy access for your laundry, taking it there into the laundry room. Let me know your thoughts about this house down below. I'm gonna be making more of these, so definitely subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.